What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to go over the count and sum functions and just talk about what they're good for, what they're not great for, and kind of the strengths and weaknesses in comparing them. So right here, sum. What we would do is find our numeric data, so it would work right here really well, and we can get a total. So we'll type in equals sum. You can either double click that or hit the tab button, it doesn't matter. Drag it over what you want, close the parentheses and hit enter, and there it is. Even if you change it, 16, you'll see that it updates 25 or 20. There you go. Now sum if, we can add a conditional criteria. So all we're going to do, sum if. In the range we want, here's where the condition is. The criteria, we want it to be, let's say, Monday sales. And then we want the range that we're summing to be here. Close those parentheses. Monday we have 92. Then if we change it, maybe we'll look at Tuesday. You'll see it'll change to this 94 right here. There you go. You can always update it, but you'll see what I'm saying here. It's again, you're summing total numbers based on another criteria. It's all quantitative info. Then this one here, count. It's great for if you want to just see how many instances of something there are. So right here, how many days of sales do we have? We've only got 4 days where we sold anything. So instead of getting the 273 like we did here, we're going to get 4. Yep. Now, if we want to see something like how many days there are, maybe, how many days of the week? How many days did we sell things? Count. So right here, while there's no data here, we have another Tuesday. Close that. You see, we get that. Count is a little tough with non-numeric data here, because you're going to have to, it really wants numbers, but you can use count A because it counts the number of cells in a range that aren't empty. Highlight that, close it up, and there it is. So count if, maybe we want to see how many Mondays we had, equals count if. So what's the range? Right here. And what's our criteria? We want to count the Mondays. Close that. We've got 2. And what happens if this Wednesday turns out it was a Monday? Goes to 3. We can undo that. There you go. So that's just some quick differences between count and sum right there. Hopefully this has been helpful for you. Hit that subscribe button if it works out for you. And otherwise, I will see you next time. Thanks.